Hello viewers, my name is Ophelia Martin. I work for Pupkavitz AFC, IRONMAN. We are situated in Northern Industry, very easy to get a hold of us. I will show you closer directions as we go forward with this. It's in Root Street, 31. It's next to Star Body Works. There's a whiteboard that you really can't miss with a very strong man in green IRONMAN, and then you just turn into that corridor, you drive left and then turn left. That's where we are. You reach the reception and we'll gladly assist you there.
AFC, good morning, Joanne speaking. Okay, hold on, I'll put you through. Good morning and welcome to AFC. I am Joanne Geertse and I'm the first face you'll see when you walk in.
Senior fitter in the Accessory Fitment Center. We do the special thing like a jar battery, bull bar and spot ride. As you bring your car here in the Accessory Fitment Center, everything is fine. Your car is in good hands.
We do a lot of accessorizing. Canopies, rubberizing, suspension, windshields, bumpers. It all depends from your needs that you want to do in the bush, camping and all those things. Don't hesitate. Come and visit us at AFC and we can give you the best advice that we can.
Hi, I'm Christoffel. I'm the retail supervisor here at AFC. My job is to make sure you get the best service and the best deals in town. If you have any questions regarding accessories, be it camping, be it bull bars, suspensions, or just advice, please contact us. And I want you to meet my team, and we're ready to assist you with whatever.